NTT DATA 5G App Framework is a modular and flexible environment designed to exponentially accelerate the end-to-end deployment and operation of new 5G services. It enables the integration and orchestration of different technologies, big data, artificial intelligence, extended, virtual and augmented reality, computing capabilities, cloud, edge, devices, and native 5G network functions. Capable of supporting an extensive catalogue of 5G services across almost every industry, the 5G App Framework dynamically identifies and deploys the most suitable infrastructure according to the use case requirements, latency, capacity, reliability, etc. For this purpose, it provides an intuitive graphical user interface that allows the non-expert user to configure and monitor the end-to-end use cases quickly and easily through a guided process. The flexible and scalable nature of the NTT DATA 5G App Framework facilitates the inclusion of additional services, which can be reused in the definition of new ones, providing a huge potential for efficiency in the process of services development. NTT DATA 5G App Framework can deploy anything, anywhere, providing end-to-end use case monitoring. We will focus now on one of the 5G App Framework use cases: facial recognition. Based on the analysis and processing of video transmitted in real time by 5G cameras, people are identified in any environment applying artificial intelligence techniques for facial recognition. 5G App Framework generates and registers alerts when a person whose image is registered in the internal catalogue appears in the perimeter of vision of the cameras. The automated searching process starts with a video streaming from an IP camera that has identified the individual to be recognized. Once the image is received, it is checked to verify that it is the correct one, using a database with the face of the individual we want to recognize. All this executed in real time with minimal latency thanks to the capabilities of 5G connectivity. To support this and other use cases, 5G App Framework was built from a modular architecture, being two of its main modules, the Service Use Case Configurator and the Service Control and Monitoring Panel. Service Use Case Configurator is one of the main modules within 5G App Framework architecture, providing the user and guided process for the end-to-end use case deployment. This module is based on an ontology model developed by NTT DATA to catalog all information needed to automate the deployment of the resources and capabilities required to provide a new 5G service. It is built offering all the advantages of the Semantic Web Framework, which provides dynamic composition and interoperability capabilities for web services. Through a single console, the ontology makes it possible to easily identify the solution for the required use case and to combine all the involved services. The Service Control Panel, another of NTT DATA 5G App Framework main modules, enables end-to-end monitoring of the service and all its components through a single, simple and intuitive console. It also allows to configure the necessary parameters of each service. In this case, it allows to manage the images of the people to be recognized and all notifications corresponding to positive facial recognition. Conclusion. In current fast-changing business scenario and technology landscape, NTT DATA 5G App Framework is making a difference. Through it, NTT DATA is appointing to be the trusted and agile partner to work with to build roadmap for a better future.